Justice of the Peace Calvin Hurst granted a defense motion for a judgment of acquittal made at the end of the Crown's case. This morning, after reviewing the evidence, Justice of the Peace Hurst could find no act by Ms. Stein that was careless that could support the charge of careless driving. And accordingly, he granted the motion and dismissed the case against Ms. Stein without the defense ever having to present witnesses or otherwise continue its defense. It is outrageous that the Windsor police ever brought careless driving charges against Mrs. Stein. It smacks of self-protection rather than the fair enforcement of the law. And I say, shame on the Windsor police. Ms. Stein is here not to talk about the facts of the case, but to talk about her ordeal in dealing with not only the accident, not only with the death of her best friend, Miss Theoret, but also subsequently being charged with killing her best friend, Miss Theoret. And she is emotional, but I believe she would answer any questions you may have.
Well, I'm glad that he decided that I didn't do anything wrong. I did exactly what I was taught to do. I stopped, I went to the corner, I edged out like I was supposed to. And I don't know what happened that night. I have no memory of it, but this is the way that I see it, that they found, or the judge found, that I did what I was exactly supposed to do. And I'm glad that it came out this way, but I'm sorry for Nancy. Mm-hmm. Nancy was my best friend, and she knows I would never hurt her for anything.
And for the past almost couple of years, what's it been like dealing with these charges at the same time as that?
Very, very emotional, very trying, very heart-wrenching, especially when I don't know what happened, and don't know what else to say.